morning children. Today we are going to solve exercise number 10.2. Okay, in the last class we have completed our exercise number 10.1. Today we are going to solve exercise number 10.2. Question number 1 is MCQ. Choose the correct option. Okay. Now, first one is the height of a tree is measured generally in. Height of a tree is measured in meters. Okay, centimeter it is very small, but height of a tree it is at a normal height, so we will measure it in meters. Okay, so for first one you will tick meter option which is given in number B. Okay, number second is 7 kilometer 58 meter is equal to 7 kilometer 58 meter is equal to, means you have to convert this into totally into meters. Okay, in the last class I have told you 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So here 58 is already given in meter, 7 is given in kilometer, so we will convert 7 kilometer. Okay, so how we will change 7 into 1000 meter. So 7 into 1000 meter is 7000 meter, and 58 is already given in meter, so we will add this meter. 0 plus 8 is 8, 5, 0, 7. So what answer you get? 7058 meter, which is given in option number D. So for question number 2, you all will take option number D. Okay. Now number 3 is 4072 meter is equal to 4072 meter is equals to. Okay, so how you will find it out? If you all remember, the smallest unit is centimeter, then meter, then kilometer. Okay, so here you have to change. You can't change this in centimeter because it is lower one. Okay, so you will change in kilometer. See how we will change. It is given in meter. How we will change? Here it is written 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. If 1 meter is equals to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. For conversion of meter, you will divide it by 1000. So 4072 meter is equals to 4072 divided by 1000. We all know how to put the point. We have learned to put the point. Here 3 zeros are given. 1, 2, 3. So 3 places you will put point. Before, after point it is meter, and before point it is kilometer. Okay, so what is your answer? 4 kilometer 072 meter, which is given in option number B. So you always take option number B. Okay, now number 4th is number 4th one is the distance between two cities is. How much distance is between two cities? 14 kilometers 6 meter. The distance in meter is. You have to convert this distance in meter. Okay. So 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Here 6 is already given in meter, so we have to convert only 14 kilometer. Okay. So 14 kilometer is equals to 14 into 1000. What we will get? 14,000 plus 6 is equals to 14006 meter. So what is your answer for number 4? Number 4, this option is given in number D. So you will take number D. Okay, number 5th one. Your height is 124 centimeter. 124 centimeter. This height in meter and centimeter is. So you have to convert this into meter and centimeter. So how we will convert? 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. We have learned in our last class. So likewise 1 centimeter will be 1 centimeter is equals to 1 upon 100 meter, means you have to divide it by 100. So 124 centimeter upon 100 meter. Okay, here whenever in denominator zeros are given, it is very easy to put decimal point, means to put the point. How many zeros are here? 2 0. So we will put point before two numbers. So what is the conversion? 1 meter 24 centimeter. Okay. So how you will get 1 meter 24 centimeter. Number 5 is given in this answer is given in option number C. So you will take option number C for this questions. Okay. Now number next is question number 6. Number 6. What is number 6? 115 meter 8 centimeter is equal to. You have to convert into centimeter. Just now I have written 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. This is already given in centimeter. Only we have to convert this part. Okay. So 115 meter is equals to 115 into 100. When you will multiply this by 100, what you will get? 150. Sorry, 1 tens, 100,000, 10,000. 11,500 centimeter. This is already given in centimeter, so you will add this. What you will get? 11,508 centimeter. And this answer is given in option number B. So you all will take option number B for number 6th one. Okay. Now moving on to next question. Our next question is question number 2. Which unit of length is to be used to express? Means only you have to write meter, centimeter, kilometer. Which unit of length will express the following sentences? Okay, I am not writing the question. I will write only answers. Number 2. First one is question number 2, number first. Length of a pencil. You all have seen a pencil like this. The height of the pencil will be there. Okay. So length of a pencil is measured in centimeter because it is a smaller object. Okay. Centimeter, meter, then kilometer. Okay. So length of a pencil is measured in centimeter because smaller object. Length of your notebook. Notebook is also like this much. This is a textbook, but height of a notebook is little less than this. Okay, so this can be measured in, this is again a smaller object, so this height is measured in centimeter. Okay, length of the notebook. Number third is distance between two cities. Distance between two cities is measured in kilometers. Okay. Number fourth. Height of a Qutub Minar. Height of a Qutub Minar is measured in meters. Number 5. Height of a building is also measured in meter. Okay. Now next conversion. Okay. Question number 3. Conversions. Question number 3 is convert into meters. Okay. Convert into meters. Number first. First one is 16 kilometer. Okay. So how we will convert? Just now we have solved the question. Let us see how we will convert. Okay. We know that 1 kilometer is equals to how many meters? 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So 16 kilometer will be 16 kilometers is equals to 16 into 1000. When you will multiply in rough, what you all will get? 16,000 meters. Okay, you have to convert in meter. See children, units are very important. Whatever the conversion you are doing, write the unit here, okay? Number second is 21 kilometer. 21 kilometer. Same like this. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So 21 kilometer will be 21 into 1000. So what you will get? 21,000 meter. Okay. Now number third. What is number third? 46 kilometer. Here number third is 46 kilometer. Same. We know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So 46 kilometer will be 46 into 1000. When you will multiply, what answer you will get? 46,000 meter. Okay. Now number fourth one is 45 kilometer to 50 meter. See here number fourth. Fourth is 45 kilometer to 50 meter. Look at the blackboard. 45 kilometer to 50 meter. What is the question? Question is you have to convert into meters. Okay. So this part is already given in meter. Only we have to convert 45 kilometer. Then we will add. Okay. So 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So 45 kilometers is equals to 45 into 1000. So what is 45 into 1000? 45 into 1000 is 45,000 meter. Okay, 45 kilometers is converted into meters. Now what is left out? 250 meters. So you will add this 250 meters here. Then you will get your final answer. Okay. So what answer is this question? 45,250 meter. Okay. Next means which number is given already converted into meters, that you have to doesn't do anything to that number. Only you have to convert the conversion part and then you will add that number. Okay. Number 5th and 6th you will try to solve by your own. Number 5 I am solving only one question I am giving you to try. Number 5th is 81 kilometer 500 meter. Okay. So 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Here 500 is already given in meter. Only we have to convert 81 kilometer. 81 kilometer is equals to 81 into 1000. 81,000 meter plus 500 meter. So what answer you get? 81,500 meter. Okay. So for question number 3 only one question I am leaving. Question number 6 that you will try to solve by your own. Okay. Now number 4th is convert into centimeters. Number 4th question is convert into centimeters. Let us see how we will convert. Okay. Convert into centimeter. I have written short form. Okay, cm. Number 4th one. First is 40 meter. Okay. Let us see. We know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. मतलब 1 मीटर में कितने सेंटीमीटर होते हैं? 100. अगर 1 मीटर में 100 सेंटीमीटर होते हैं तो 40 मीटर्स में कितने सेंटीमीटर होंगे? So 40 meter is equals to 40 into 100. Okay, I am writing here direct multiplication. You will, if you don't know, you will multiply in the rough and then write. Okay, 40 into 100 will be 4000 centimeter. Okay, now next one is 64 meter. So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. 64 meter will be 64 100. So what you will get? 6400 means 6400 centimeter. Okay. Now number third is 81 meter 20 centimeter. Number third is 81 meter 20 centimeter. 20 is already given in centimeter, only you have to convert 81 meter. Okay, so 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. 81 meter is equals to 81 into 100, that will be 8100 centimeter. Then you will add 20. Okay, so what you will get? 8120 centimeter. Okay, next number 4, 78 meter 35 centimeter. Number 4 is 78 meter 35 centimeter. Okay, here also 35 is already given in centimeter, only you have to convert 78 meter. So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. 78 meter is equals to 78 into 100, which will be 7800 centimeter. Left out you will add plus 35 centimeter. What you will get? 5387. Your answer will be 7835 centimeter. Okay. So only 2 question is left from this question. You will try to solve that question by your own. Okay. Now moving on to question number 5. Question number 5 is convert into kilometers and meters. Question number 5 is convert into kilometers and meters. See, let us solve. Okay, see how we will convert into kilometers and meters. First one is 4540 meter. Number first one is 4540 meter, in which you have to convert kilometer and meter. Okay, we all know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Okay, but here it is given in meter. We have to convert meter into kilometer. Okay, so how we will convert? 1 meter will be, I am telling from this only. Okay, here when it is given in multiplication, when we will change, means this will come here in the division form if we are changing from equal signs. Okay, so 1 meter is equals to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Okay, so if here 1 meter is 1 upon 1000 kilometer, then 4540 meter will be 4540 divided with 1000. Okay, then when we will divide this by 1000, what we will get? Here, if we can cancel out this one can cancel, or we will put the decimal point. Okay, we will put point because it is easier when we are having here zeros to put the decimal. Okay, how many zeros are here? यहाँ कितने zero हैं? 1 2 3. So ऊपर से हम लास्ट से 3 नंबर के आगे पॉइंट लगाएंगे. 1 2 3 4.540. पॉइंट के पहले वाला मीन्स पॉइंट के ये वाला नंबर हो जाएगा किलोमीटर, ये वाला हो जाएगा मीटर. ओके, सो 4 किलोमीटर 540 meter. This is the correct method when we are solving the conversion. This is the correct method, but in your book another method is given. Okay, so you can follow both the method. This method I prefer because it is very easier method and very easy to understand. So you please try to solve by this method, or you can solve by the another method also. Okay, तो हमने इसमें कैसे किया conversion? We will divide it by 1000. हमने इसको 1000 से divide किया. Okay, 1000 से divide किया, ये इस फॉर्म में आ गया फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में. फिर हमने क्या कर दिया, यहाँ पॉइंट लगा दिया, जितने जीरोस होंगे उतने जीरो काउंट करके आप लास्ट से पॉइंट लगाओगे। ओके, पॉइंट के पहले वाला हो जाएगा जो भी कन्वर्शन में आपका पहला होगा, बाद वाला हो जाएगा जो आपके कन्वर्शन में बाद में यूनिट होगा। ओके, अंडरस्टूड। नाउ नेक्स्ट one is 2544 meter. Now look at here, 1 meter is equals to 1/1000 किलोमीटर। यहाँ 1 अपॉन का मतलब होता है डिवाइड का साइन, आप इसे ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 1 डिवाइडेड विद 1000। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज 2544 मीटर is equals to 2544 divided with 1000। कितने जीरोस है, 3 जीरोस, तो हम पॉइंट कहाँ लगाएंगे, 3 नंबर के आगे, 1 2 3, 2.544। पॉइंट के पहले मैंने क्या बताया था, जो लिखा होगा यूनिट, पॉइंट के पहले कौन सा यूनिट होगा, 2 किलोमीटर, पॉइंट के बाद वाला 544 मीटर। ओके, आपको पॉइंट लेफ्ट टू, जब हम एडिशन करते हैं, मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं, हम लेफ्ट साइड से राइट साइड की तरफ आते हैं, मींस लास्ट से फर्स्ट आते हैं, वैसे ही हमें पॉइंट और डेसिमल भी हमें लास्ट से काउंट करना है। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज नंबर थर्ड वन इज 4256 meter. So how you will solve? 1 meter is equals to 1/1000 kilometer. So 4256 meter is equals to 4256/1000. How many zeros are here? 3. So you will put point from last 3 numbers. Okay, 1 2 3, तो point कहाँ आएगा, 4 के बाद, 4.256, which will be 4 kilometer 256 meter. This is very easy method. Okay, now number 4th is 7000 meter. 7000 meter. So 1 meter is equals to 1/1000 kilometer. So 7000 meter will be 7000 divided by 1000. If you are seeing zero, मतलब जो कैंसिल आउट हो सकता है न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में, वो आप कैंसिल कर सकते हो, 10 10 10 10 10 10 10। क्या बचा है इसमें, 7। So what is your answer? Answer will be 7 kilometer. Okay, now only 2 question left, 5 and 6. You will try to solve this question, okay, by this method. Okay, number 6 is convert into meters and centimeter. नंबर 6 का कन्वर्शन क्या है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का, कन्वर्ट इनटू मीटर्स एंड सेंटीमीटर। आपको मीटर और सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है, सेम प्रोसेस है, बट वो डिवाइड 100 से होगा, बिकॉज देखते हैं कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज कन्वर्ट इनटू मीटर एंड सेंटीमीटर। ओके, नंबर फर्स्ट इज 250 सेंटीमीटर। नाउ लुक एट द ब्लैकबोर्ड। आपको पता था कि 1 किलोमीटर में 1000 मीटर होते, अब 1 मीटर में कितने सेंटीमीटर होते हैं, 1 मीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 100 सेंटीमीटर, ये हमने पढ़ाया भी है ना। तो सेंटीमीटर को आपको मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है, सेम प्रोसेस हो जाएगा, 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 1/100 मीटर। मीन्स किलोमीटर वाले में हम 1000 से डिवाइड कर रहे थे, मीटर में हमें किससे डिवाइड करना है, 100 से। सो फर्स्ट वाला देखिए, 250 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 250/100। ओके, या तो आप ये 1010 कैंसिल कर दो, अदरवाइज अगर आपको कैंसिल नहीं करना है ये जीरोस, तो यू विल पुट द पॉइंट। यहाँ कितने जीरोस हैं, 2 जीरोस, तो 2 नंबर्स के आगे पॉइंट लगेगा, 1 2 1 2, सो पॉइंट विल बी आफ्टर 250। मैंने क्या बताया था, पॉइंट के पहले वाला जो भी कन्वर्शन आपको पहले करना होगा, आप वो नंबर लिखोगे, यूनिट। सो 2 मीटर, पॉइंट के बाद वाले में 50, बाद वाला यूनिट सेंटीमीटर। ओके, नंबर 2 इज 768 सेंटीमीटर। So 1 centimeter is equals to 1 upon 100 meter. 768 centimeter is equals to 768 upon 100. ये यहाँ कोई कैंसिलेशन प्रॉपर्टी नहीं होगी फॉलो. सो हम क्या करेंगे, सिर्फ पॉइंट लगाएंगे. हाउ मेनी जीरोज आर हियर? 2 zeros. So we will put decimal or point before two number. Okay. तो पॉइंट के पहले वाला क्या हो जाएगा, ये कन्वर्शन 7 मीटर, पॉइंट के बाद वाला सेंटीमीटर. ओके. नंबर थर्ड 940 सेंटीमीटर. नंबर थर्ड है 940 सेंटीमीटर. सेम प्रोसेस. 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन 100 मीटर. सो 940 सेंटीमीटर में कितने हो जाएंगे, 940 डिवाइडेड बाय 100. दो अगर 1010 कैंसिल करोगे तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, अदरवाइज यू कैन पुट द डेसिमल और पॉइंट. यहाँ 2 जीरोस हैं, लास्ट से आप 2 डिजिट के सामने पॉइंट लगाएंगे. सो 9 मीटर हो जाएगा 40 सेंटीमीटर. ओके. नाउ नंबर फोर्थ. नंबर फोर्थ है 2520 सेंटीमीटर. 2520. So same 1 centimeter is equals to 1 upon 100 meter. So 2520 centimeter will be 2520 upon 100. ठीक है. अब कैसे लगेगा, यहाँ 2 जीरो है, लास्ट से 2 डिजिट के सामने 25.20. सो कितना मीटर हो गया, 25 मीटर 20 सेंटीमीटर. ओके. सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो आई एम लिविंग 2 क्वेश्चन फॉर यू टू सॉल्व बाय योर ओन. आप 2 क्वेश्चन खुद से सॉल्व करने की ट्राई करेंगे. विद दिस वी हैव कंप्लीटेड अवर एक्सरसाइज नंबर 10.2. वी विल मीट इन अवर नेक्स्ट क्लास. थैंक यू.